Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show how to find all your group member profiles on Facebook using your PC. Facebook has recently updated its layout, and some features have been moved around, so if you've been struggling to locate this option, you're definitely not alone. Let's walk through the updated steps together so you can easily access your group member profiles. First, open Facebook on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account because everything we're about to do starts from your main homepage. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Once it expands, select Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores a detailed history of your actions and interactions across the platform. Now, inside the activity log, you'll see different categories on the left-hand side. Find and click on Your Facebook Activity. This section helps you filter specific types of activity for easier access. After that, look for the Groups option and click on it. This will show you all your group-related activities, including posts, comments, and interactions within groups. Here comes the important part. Within the Groups section, find and click on Your Group Member Profiles. This is where Facebook compiles the profiles of group members you've interacted with or viewed. Once you open it, you'll be able to see and access those profiles directly, making it much easier to revisit connections or manage your group interactions. And that's it. With these steps, you can quickly find all your group member profiles using the latest Facebook web update.